What's up, guys? Today with a video that's something different from my other videos. No redesign, no brand scribbling. Today I'll walk you through a magazine that I layouted and a bit of a background story here. In school we had a course called Project Course, and it took 1 year. And in that course we should do a project of any kind, experiment or scientific research or a project of any kind. And I did follow a personal project I did at the time, or not a personal project, but a project I did at the time because at the time I built the corporate identity for a startup or for a company called Gold. So at the end of the project course we had to summarize all of our results in a final portfolio for the teachers to get us a grade. And I did a magazine for that. And I just wanted to show it to you guys. Stick around. Right. So that's it from me, guys. Hope you liked watching this little presentation video or whatever. Till the next time, I'm out. Bye.